I'm Rhoden.
Hi, I'm Joe Rhoden.
And welcome to Raising the Roof with Ro and Joe.
Today's topic is attic ventilation.
It's hot outside. Your air conditioner might be running more than you want it to.
It's noon. The sun's beating down on the roof.
It's 95 degrees outside, and it's 159 degrees on the roof.
That's hot. About 80% of homes are not properly vented.
Without proper ventilation, the ceiling can get very hot.
It will make your AC run a lot more.
What do you need for proper attic ventilation?
You need soffit vents. These vents help move air, bringing outside air in.
Roof vents. These exhaust vents help move hot air out of your attic.
Skylights. Not only are they fun, but you can open and close them, allowing fresh air to flow in.
Be careful with skylights. If installed incorrectly, they can cause leaks.
Thanks for watching.
If you have any questions, please call Rhoden Roofing.